Good morning mga boss. Welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3.
Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, my name is Eugene, isang siman lalakbay. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please click the subscribe button. At kung hindi mo pa napanood yung mga previous videos ko, please panoorin nyo na ang mga previous videos ko. And today, we are gonna be talking about perks of working in a cruise ship. Yeah. Sounds good, right? Perks. So, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung mga vlog ko about paano mag-apply ng trabaho sa cruise ship, ano yung mga tips, mga advices sa pag-apply sa agency para makapagtrabaho sa cruise ship. So what you can do mga boss, just go through with my videos. Yung ibang mga videos ko naka-playlist na yan. So just click on it and give some time to watch my videos. At kung magustuhan nyo, i-click nyo ang like button. At i-share kung gusto nyo i-share. Kung may mga kakilala kayong mga friends na gusto makapagtrabaho sa cruise ship. Yon. Alright, so kung gusto nyo malaman ng mga latest na pangyari sa buhay ni Siman Lalakbay, follow my social media, Eugene Mans for my Facebook, and for my Instagram, I am Eugemans. Ayan. So, once again, we are gonna be talking about perks of working in a cruise ship. We are not gonna be talking about SSS or yung Social Security System, yung pag-ibig, yung mga benefits natin na nakakuha sa Pinas. Because SSS, pag-ibig, PhilHealth, yun naman talaga is required and basic benefits ng isang empleyado sa Pinas. So now, what I am gonna be talking about is perks of working in a cruise ship. So when we say perks, ito ay libreng nakakuha natin or libre na nakukuha natin sa pagtatrabaho sa barko. Before we can start talking about perks of working in a cruise ship, disclaimer muna tayo.
Views and opinions expressed by the host do not necessarily state or reflect those of the company and its management. Furthermore, the views and opinions of the guest do not reflect those of the host, the show, the management, and the station or the YouTube channel.
Alright, so once again, we are gonna be talking about perks of working in a cruise ship. And yung mga ipapakita ko lang sa inyo mga boss, and yung mga isasabi ko lang sa inyo is yung mga parang major na nakikita ko dito sa barko at mga nakukuha ko dito sa barko sa pagtatrabaho, or yung mga perks na nakakuha ko dito sa pagtatrabaho sa barko for the entire of my contract, last contract and this contract. Ayan, so let's start with the first, ayan, travel for free. Ayan. Travel for free. Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba libre tayo nakakagala? Siyempre, we are working a cruise ship and yung cruise ship nyo ay pupunta ng iba't ibang lugar, iba't ibang countries. So, in my experience, I've been in Croatia, Venice, Italy. I've been in Spain. I've been in Belgium, Germany, Norway, Santorini, ano pa ba? Marami-rami na rin akong lugar na napuntahan ko. If you want to know more about the countries or yung mga places na napuntahan ko, just go through with my IG photos. So, follow my Instagram account. I am Eugemans. Ayan. So, once again, travel for free. It's travel for free. Isa yun sa mga perks na nakuha natin sa pagtatrabaho sa barko. So it's a really good thing when working in a cruise ship because you get to travel for free and you get to visit different places, you know, and you get to interact with different people, different nationalities, which is good for you, you know, to like ma-explore mo yung mga bago na di mo na-explore sa Pinas, which is good for you as a human being and as an employee as well. Kasi naman may mga tao like syempre dito sa mga pasahero namin dito sa barko, they're paying a lot of money to explore this kind of place, the countries. Ayan. But kami or tayo na nagtatrabaho sa barko, nakukuha natin siya ng libre. So, it's number one for me. As one of the perks of working a cruise ship is travel for free. Next is, ito din yung pinakagusto ko dito. Siyempre, kasi ika nga nila, food is life. Next is free food. Ayan. Yes, tama po yan, narinig nyo. Free food po tayo dito sa barko. Sa Pinas, may tinatawag tayong pantry, canteen, where we can eat. And minsan, binabayaran pa natin yung pagkain. May ibang kumpanya naman na nag-o-offer ng free food. Here on board, when working in a cruise ship, we have the so-called crew mess, kung saan kumakain yung mga crew. Lahat doon is free. Kumbaga, buffet style. So, eat all you can. Ubusin mo lang kung ano ang kaya mong ubusin. Ayan. So, for the free food, siguro may mga nagtatanong din kung may Filipino food ba, mga ganito ganyan, may sinigang ba, may adobo, meron bang pinakbet, yun. Those kind of food depende, but for breakfast, more likely yung pagkain namin dito is like boiled egg, may fried egg, meron ding mga basically bacon, sausages, yon. Tapos may mga yogurt, fruits, fresh milk, free coffee, free hot choco, free drinks, juices, not fresh but puree. But you can also get some fresh drinks sometimes. What else? Food. Yeah, bacon, as what I have mentioned, bacon. Kumbaga, American breakfast. Meron dito American breakfast. Ayan. For lunch, yes, meron ding dito kanin. Siyempre, kasi sa Cromes, may section sa Cromes na Filipino food. Dito sa barko meron ding Indian food, European food. Ayan. Today, pag-usapan na natin muna yung Filipino food. Sa Filipino food dito sa barko, as what I have experienced, for Filipino food, during lunchtime, may rice, meron dito minsan fried chicken, meron dito minsan yung mga Pinoy na pagkain katulad ng sinigang na hipon, minsan caldereta, depende. Pag special occasion, sometimes may lechon, katulad ng last dito Christmas, we had a lechon, mga fried chicken. Dati sa barko ko na nasampahan, fruit salad, meron spaghetti, Pinoy na spaghetti, yung matamis na spaghetti na ginagawa natin sa Pinas. Yun, mga nagluluto yun is mga Pinoy din na mga chef. Pero most of the food that we have in the crew mess, masarap naman talaga yung mga pagkain sa crew mess. Ayun. Next is free accommodation. When we say free accommodation, wala kang babayaran sa pag-stay mo dito, unlike when you are working in the Philippines. Pag malayo yung lugar mo or pag malayo yung bahay mo sa pinagtatrabuhan mo, magrerenta ka ng isang room and then you have to pay it for per month. Dito sa barko, wala kang babayaran, libre lahat. Libre tubig, libre kuryente, libre ang room mo dito. And sa room na ito, and here on board, ang room na sinasabi natin dito is tinatawag namin na kabina. And sa kabina is we have a maximum 2 per cabin. But some other ship, or like the ship I joined before, may 3, may 4. But ngayon, nakita ko, ano lang siya, maximum dalawa lang yung per cabin, and shared toilet with the other cabin on the other side. Yun. So, free accommodation, libre lahat, wala kang babayaran. So, you just have to maintain the cleanliness para good tayo dito sa barko. Ayun. So, once again, free accommodation. Next is free internet. Now, free internet, unfortunately, sa barko ko ngayon is hindi kami libre. We have to pay for our internet. But sa ibang barko, sa ibang agency, or sa ibang barko, libre yung internet nila. I think there is like a limit for that free internet sa ibang barko. But still, it's good because it's free. You don't have to pay for it. Because dito sa barko namin ngayon, we have to pay for our internet. So we have like the crew package. It's good for 28 days, and what you can access only is the social websites, like, or the social applications, social media applications like the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WeChat. Yeah, yun lang siguro. Tapos yun, it's good for 28 days. Yeah, it's 15 pounds per 28 days. So after 28 days, may expire na. Then you have to purchase again and then pay again 15 pounds per 28 days. So 15 pounds is $20. So $20 times, ilagay na lang natin mga 50 pesos. So yun yung amount ng binabayaran namin na internet dito sa barko. But for the internet, if you want to like access another applications, or applications that is not included in the package, like if you want to watch YouTube, if you want to access YouTube or watch YouTube videos, so you have to purchase megabytes, like 100 megabytes cost like 5 pounds, or 500 megabytes cost around 15 pounds. Yun, so medyo may kamahalan siya. So sa ngayon, yung ginagamit ko is yung 28 days na social media package, or yung crew package, which is 15 pounds for 28 days. At last Christmas, that was good because may mga binigay sila na mga voucher, and may binigay sila na 500 megabytes. At kakaubos lang ng 500 megabytes ko kanina, so ngayon wala na ako internet. I'll purchase tomorrow. Yun, so free internet for some other ships, but for now, here on board sa barko ko ngayon, it's not free. I have to pay for it, so depende yan sa company. Ayun. So next, next is free crew facilities. So hindi ko na siya nilagay. Kumbaga, given naman talaga dito sa barko yung mga free crew facilities, like yung crew bar. Pwede ka doon makapunta sa crew bar, like after your shift, pwede ka pumunta doon, mag-chill, like pwede kang uminom. But on board, we have the minimum and maximum 0.05% alcohol na dapat mong i-take sa katawan mo. So 0.05% alcohol is like half of a can, like kumbaga sa San Miguel beer, so dapat half lang ng isang lata ng beer. Yun ang pwede mo inumin sa isang araw. Yun. And we have the crew pool, where you can chill under the sun. So may crew pool tayo. Kung may passengers pool, meron din tayong crew pool. Pwede kayo doon maligo, mag-chill. Crew laundrette. Yes, we have the crew laundrette. Doon pwede ka maglaba. But the uniform, everything, pwede mong ipalabhan yan sa laundrette dito sa barko. But kung gusto mo yung mga personal mo na mga gamit, or personal mo na mga damit, you have to laundry it by yourself, which is hindi naman mahirap, madali lang. Ipasok mo lang, tapos set mo lang yung timer. Pagkatapos ng ilagay natin yung pag-delegate, nasa mga 25 minutes. Pag regular siya, nasa mga 45 minutes. Then you just have to follow it. Ayun. What else? Crew pool, may ano tayo? Crew gym. Yes, we have a crew gym. So, pwede ka doon mag-exercise, pwede ka doon magpapa-abs. Yun, doon ka pwede magpapawis. Yun lang muna mga boss, kasi parang haba na ng vlog ko. So I was planning only to make a video of this for like 10 minutes, but now it's like more than 20 minutes. So, kung may mga naisip pa kayong mga perks mga boss, just drop your comments below. At kung may gusto kayong itanong, just drop your comments below mga boss. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Pasensya na kasi night worker ako, kung ano naman sinasabi ko ngayon, and I'm hungry. So I'll need to go to the cremas in a while to eat my lunch and go to sleep. May pasok mamaya. Yun, so please click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. And kung may mga gusto kayo or may mga kakilala kayo na gusto makipagtrabaho sa cruise ship, please share this video mga boss. And yep, that's it for today. Today we are at sea. We are going to Santana, Brazil, and we'll be in Santana, Brazil by January 15 mga boss. Ayun, so that's it for today's vlog mga boss. Kita-kits sa next port or next sea day. Anyways mga boss, I'll just leave you with a quote: dreams don't come true unless you do. Kaya pag-igihan niyo po ang pagtatrabaho. Okay mga boss, that's it for now. See you sa next vlog. Ingat. Obrigado. Ciao.